Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Trader Network. My name is Chris, and we just have a quick news update for the week. So this is your weekly crypto news briefing. If you're new here, we do this pretty much every week. Unless there's absolutely no news at all, then it's pretty much pointless. But we do have some news this week, so I wanted to dive into that. Remember to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. We do a monthly giveaway. We just gave away 100 USD last month. We're almost at 1,600, or we're over 1,600 subscribers. We're almost at 2,000, and once we hit that 2,000 mark, I'm going to bump that up to 200 bucks a month. So if we hit that this month at the end of August, then we will give away $200 for the monthly giveaway, and then 200 going forward. Like I said, all you have to do is be subscribed. You are automatically entered as a subscriber in the monthly giveaway every single month. So that's my way of giving back to you guys. Again, please hit that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, if you like, and leave me a comment on where you're from. Shout out to Smell Like a Noob Spirit from Ecuador. He left me a comment about where he was from on the last video. So if you want me to send you guys a shout out, that really helps us out with leaving a comment, and we'll give you a shout out on the video. All right, so jumping into the news, first we can check a look at our weekly dollar cost average. If you're doing the dollar cost average, follow along with us. We're putting in 100 bucks every week. We typically do that on Sundays. Again, Bitcoin is literally sitting on its 200-week moving average. The moving average was, last I looked right here, is 22996, and we're at 23132. So we're like $140 over it. So yeah, I mean, still really trading sideways. So really all we have is just some news. So Solana, again, another hack this week, which is really unfortunate. I'm really getting tired of hearing about these hacks. Over 8,000 internet-connected hot wallets have been compromised so far, but the source of the attack remains unknown. So this was on August 2nd. And from what I understand, I wanted to kind of get this out there because there still are wallets being drained. So if you do have a wallet on the Solana network and you hold Solana, make sure that you have that secured or transfer it to another wallet. So the Solana ecosystem appears to be the victim of crypto's latest exploit, with users reporting their funds have been drained without their knowledge from major internet-connected hot wallets, including Phantom, Slope, and Trust Wallet. So if you have any of those, make sure that you have them secured. The attack is still ongoing, and over 8,000 wallets have been compromised thus far, according to blockchain auditors Ottersec. Several Solana addresses have been linked to the attack, with those wallets amassing at least 5 million worth of SOL, SPL, and other Solana-based tokens from unsuspecting users. Sorry. So, engineers across several networks have found that the bug isn't connected with Solana core code, but in software used by several software wallets. So it's not a Solana issue. This is definitely to do with wallets. The attack will inevitably reignite a long-running debate around the security of hot wallets, which stay connected to the internet at all times in order to provide users a convenient way to send, store, and receive crypto. Cold wallets, USB drives that must be plugged into a computer to sign transactions, are heralded as a more secure, albeit less convenient alternative. It is also suggested users move everything to a cold wallet or ledger. Ledger, guys, get yourself a ledger. I've been touting on this for a while now. There is a link in the description below. Please, by all means, use that link. Buy yourself a ledger. I think the lowest cost one is $60. That is all you need. All you need to do is have the Ethereum app on there. I don't know if you can notice that Ethereum is on there right there. That is it. That's what I was messing with a minute ago. So that's all you need. And the ledger will absolutely 100% lock your wallet down. Twitter continues to be flooded with reports of Solana users noticing that tokens have suddenly been drained from their accounts. I think there was somebody, I was getting my sunglasses refit when I got a push notification from my mobile wallet that I sent all my SOL from my wallet, said a Solana community member. With a ledger, that is not going to happen, not unless you sign in with your own PIN code on here connected to a USB. Unfortunately, it does make it difficult if you are trying to use that on your mobile wallet, on your mobile phone. You do have to be connected to USB. I believe some of the ledgers, like mine, you actually can Bluetooth it to your phone to enable that, to use your wallet with your phone. But again, we need to be better with locking down our crypto. You do not want it to get stolen. That was one of the main things that, or one of the first things that I did, was buy a ledger device. So again, link in the description below. Please use that. Buy yourself a ledger. Even if you don't use that link, if you want to go right on ledger.com and buy directly from them, that is fine too. My link goes to Amazon. That's where I bought mine. Okay. Some major news coming out of politics. So CFTC would become primary crypto regulator under new Senate committee plan. I know there's been quite a bit of this one going around lately about the new crypto laws that are being enacted, so I'm not going to cover this one too in depth. But the Senate Agricultural Committee, which oversees the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, introduced a bipartisan bill Wednesday that would grant the CFTC exclusive jurisdiction over cryptocurrency trades that meet commodities law. The Digital Commodities Consumer Act of 2022 would create a definition of digital commodity that would include cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ether, but not anything that may be a security, giving the CFTC the ability to oversee both digital commodity transactions and force registration of digital commodity platforms, according to a section-by-section breakdown of the bill. In the meantime, CFTC Chairman Rostin Benham has waged a campaign to have his agency become the primary spot market regulator for the cryptocurrency markets, though Wednesday bills doesn't go that far. So the CFTC and the SEC are kind of butting heads a little bit on this one. What is a commodity? What is a security? Is this a digital commodity? Is it a security? Is it something that's traded to make money? So there's a whole lot of stuff that's going through through bills in Congress and Senate and everything like that right now within the United States government on how they're going to regulate this stuff. Like I said, I'm not going to jump too far into this one because this is really early on in the talks, but they are actually trying to figure out what they're going to do with this, and a lot of this is spurred on from the USDT, Luna collapse, the Celsius collapse, all that stuff that really hurt investors and really brought a black eye to the crypto community just recently, which brought a lot of lawmakers eyes upon what's going on in crypto. So anyway, some good news. MicroStrategy, and I think this is good news, MicroStrategy shares surge as Michael Saylor puts full focus on Bitcoin. So MicroStrategy's stock is up nearly 15% on Wednesday, helped by a modest rally in Bitcoin news late Tuesday that Michael Saylor is stepping down as CEO to become executive chairman. The software company's president Phong will become CEO. The management changes will allow for the company's enterprise business to have the full focus of the CEO, with Saylor devoting his energies to strategies for corporate Bitcoin adoption. So really what he wants, he is never any more bullish on Bitcoin. Basically what he's saying is, I'm going to let Phong run the company, and I am going to go out and really try to get Bitcoin adoption among, larger investment companies, get ETFs formed, stuff like that. So he's never been more bullish on Bitcoin. This does not mean that MicroStrategy is, doing anything bad or anything like that. This is actually, like I said, I view this as a good thing. They're bullish on Bitcoin, even more so that they're basically letting Michael go out there and be the face of Bitcoin to the corporate world. So in my next job, I intend to focus more on Bitcoin, Saylor tweeted early Wednesday in a tongue-in-cheek response to those who think the moves might mean he has become less bullish on the crypto. So like I said, he has not. And then some good news again. So we are on that 200-week moving average, but a big player in professional finance says its trading partners see Bitcoin rebounding to 32,000 this year. So Bitcoin remains way below its highs, and reasons for optimism seem scarce, but not for some of the biggest traders who've retained a rosy view. Though the median respondent didn't see the pain as being fully over, reckoning that Bitcoin will get as low as 16,000 in 2022 from around 23.5 currently, a large rebound is foreseen, a jump to a high of 32,000 sometime this year. I don't know if we're going to hit that 16K. Don't quote me on that. Again, not financial advice, but I think that we probably would have already hit that. I think that the Fed is going to start ramping down, their rate hikes. And once we start ramping down the rate hikes, I think that the stock market and cryptocurrency is going to start rebounding. That's just my personal opinion, though. Talk of a lengthy crypto winter has many investors fretting, so the bullishness among professionals with much at stake stands out. As with conventional markets such as stocks, though, crypto's path does probably hinge on whatever the Federal Reserve does with U.S. interest rates, like I said. And indeed, the Cumberland's clients took that view. It's very striking that the most common response for both positive and negative catalysts is movement by the Fed, according to the report. So like I said, if we see a little bit less hawkish Fed on this next meeting, I don't believe they meet in August this month. I believe they meet again next month in September, and they will do their next rate hike. If that rate hike is 75 basis points or below, I think it's probably going to be a 50. That's kind of what they're pricing into the market now. We should start seeing a little bit of rise in stocks and crypto like we have in the past couple weeks. I know it's down a little bit, from last week, but we're still holding on that 200-week moving average, and that is good. So as long as we're holding that support, we're doing pretty good. All right, guys, that's pretty much all I had for you guys. Like I said, really quick one today, and I, encourage you, please go ahead and subscribe if you have not. If you like these videos, leave me a comment below, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.